Hi everybody, today we are looking at a Notilus microban luxury shower head with removable, I don't know where I got that from. Alright, open up the box here. Top of the box is of course the instructions for installation. It's a 6-setting shower head. Installation instructions look pretty simple according to the picture. There is 2 instructions, and it also tells you what to do in case of a leak and a couple other things, so you have information on it. There is this packet which has your washer and looks like dental floss, maybe tape to go with it. Again, it's probably something to help so you don't have a leak. And then the shower head. Pull it out of the bag. You can see, nice green. It goes on, looks like it can go on anything for the head, as long as it has a screw-on part for the head there. And you can see you can adjust with this piece once it's on. Whew. As I drop the shower head. So, there you go. That's what we've got for today. Alright. Thank you guys. The link will be in the description if you would like to purchase yourself one. Bye.